If you own a Jeep Wrangler and think maintenance is optional, stop right there. That mindset is exactly why many Wranglers develop expensive problems far too early. This isn't dealership advice, this is real-world mechanical experience. If you want your Wrangler to last longer, drive better, and cost you less money, pay attention. 1. Engine oil. Non-negotiable. Most Wranglers use the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, and it does not forgive neglect. Real-world rule. Change oil every 5,000 miles, especially with short trips, off-roading, heat, dust, or mud. Dirty oil causes rocker arm failure, lifter noise, and oil cooler leaks. This one habit alone can save you thousands. 2. Oil cooler housing, a known weak point. The factory oil cooler housing is plastic and sits under the intake manifold. Watch for burning oil smell, oil pooling on the engine, coolant loss, or milky residue. If it fails, upgrade to an aluminum oil cooler housing. Do it once, do it right. 3. Air filter and intake, especially if you off-road. Wranglers inhale dirt. Rule: inspect the air filter at every oil change. Replace it sooner than normal vehicles. A dirty filter kills power, fuel economy, and engine life. Avoid cheap oiled filters unless properly maintained. They can damage sensors. 4. Transmission service, auto and manual. Automatic, fluid service around 60,000 miles, sooner if towing or off-roading. Manual, change fluid and monitor clutch wear, especially with big tires. Neglect leads to hard shifting, clutch damage, and expensive rebuilds. 5. Differentials. Most owners forget this. Wranglers have front and rear differentials, and sometimes lockers. Service interval, every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, immediately after deep water crossings. Water and diff fluid destroys gears fast.
6. Transfer case. Protect your 4x4. Your 4WD system depends on clean transfer case fluid. Service. Every 30 to 60K miles, more often with heavy off-road use. Dirty fluid causes binding, hard shifts into 4H or 4L and internal damage. 7. Steering and suspension. Prevent death wobble. Death wobble isn't one bad part, it's worn components. Inspect regularly. Track bar bushings, tie rod ends, ball joints, control arm bushings. Lifted Wranglers wear these faster. Ignore them and you'll feel it at highway speed. 8. Tires and brakes. More than just looks. Big tires add stress. Rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Keep tire pressure correct. Inspect brakes every oil change. Flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Uneven tires and worn brakes destroy steering parts and braking performance. 9. Cooling and electrical systems. Wranglers hate overheating. Coolant flush every 5 years or 100K miles. Inspect hoses, radiator, and cooling fan. Clean battery terminals and ground connections. Check wiring after off-road trips. Most electrical issues come from moisture or loose connections. 10. Frame, seals, and post-off-road inspection. This step separates smart owners from broke ones. Inspect frame, skid plates, and underbody. Wash underneath after mud or salt. Maintain door and roof seals with silicone spray. After every off-road trip, check fluids, leaks, bolts, and suspension. Off-roading loosens everything. Always inspect. Final advice, mechanic to owner. Here's the truth. A Jeep Wrangler isn't unreliable, it's maintenance sensitive. Owners who stay ahead of small issues love their Wranglers. Owners who ignore maintenance blame the brand and overspend. Your Wrangler will treat you exactly how you treat it. If this video saved you money or headaches, hit the like button. Subscribe to Advanced Backyard Mechanic for real-world advice. No hype, no dealership talk. Comment below, what year Wrangler do you own? I'll see you in the next one. Drive smart, wrench smarter.